Welcome to Country Life. I'm Jeroen Amador, your host. I'm going to show you how to make our delicious lentils and rice stew. It's so simple, and yet it makes a delicious lentil soup. Come and join me as we make it next on Country Life. Country life, country life. How I love to live it, country life farm. The grass is green, the trees are tall. Life is sweet at Country Life Farms. We're going to begin with our mise en place, making sure that we have all ingredients in the house. We're going to use water, of course, plain water. We're going to use lentils. These are regular lentils. We're going to use rice. You can use brown rice or you can use white rice. I'm using white rice today. You're going to use extra virgin olive oil. This is so delicious and you're only using a little bit. You're going to use fresh garlic, wonderful for your health. We're going to use fresh onions. Again, so simple yet so good for you. We're going to use organic carrots. Use organic if you can buy them. We're going to use celery, again, organic if you can get it. We're going to use Stetta chicken salad. You can find this recipe here on our recipes. It's wonderful to use. We're going to use fresh black pepper. We use freshly ground because it's so much better. We use fresh sea salt, the best there is. And we'll use a little bit of organic thyme. It's wonderful. Let's go on with making the soup. We're going to wash our lentils well, making sure there's no dirt or small rocks. Place them in a pot and add our measured water. We'll turn the heat on high and cover it with a lid. Once they're boiling, we'll lower the heat to medium-low. We'll wash our rice and add it to the pot. While that's cooking, we'll cut our sliced onions. Cut the ends of our carrots and slice those. We'll slice our celery. We're going to pass our garlic through a garlic press, or mince it very small if you don't have a garlic press. We're going to take a frying pan and put it on medium-high, and we're going to put our extra virgin olive oil in. Once it's on medium-high, we're going to add our carrots and saute them, stirring frequently for 5 minutes. Now add your onions and stir them frequently for 5 minutes. Now add your celery and continue cooking it for 5 minutes. When your vegetables are cooked, add to your lentils and rice which have been cooking. If your soup is a little too thick, add water. When the soup has been cooking for 40 minutes, add your shredded chicken bouillon, your salt, black pepper, and thyme, and stir them for 10 minutes longer. And there you have it, lentils and rice. It's so delicious. So good. Write to us below and tell us what you liked about this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. It really helps us. Until then, have a great day.